Hello, food lovers, you are all welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing how to simply and easily make omelette at home in the comfort of your kitchen. This is going to be an outstanding and impressive culinary journey, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Here we go. Creating the perfect omelette at home is a culinary skill that combines simplicity with versatility. Whether you prefer a classic French omelette, a fluffy American-style omelette, or a hearty Spanish tortilla, mastering the art of omelette making opens the door to endless possibilities for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick and satisfying dinner. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through every step of the process, from selecting the freshest eggs to mastering the techniques for flipping and filling. By following these detailed instructions and tips, you'll be well equipped to make delicious omelettes that will impress your friends and family. List of contents to be discussed. Please watch and listen carefully. 1. Introduction to omelettes. 2. Selecting the best eggs. 3. Essential equipment for making omelettes. 4. Basic techniques for making omelettes. 5. French omelette, classic technique and variations. 6. American omelette, fluffy and folded. 7. Spanish omelette, tortilla española, hearty and filling. 8. Filling and flavor ideas for omelettes. 9. Serving and presentation. 10. Storing and reheating omelettes. 11. Troubleshooting common issues. 12. Omelette recipes. 13. Conclusion and final thoughts. Introduction to omelettes. Omelettes are a versatile and satisfying dish made from beaten eggs cooked in a frying pan and filled with a variety of ingredients. They can be enjoyed for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner and are customizable to suit any taste preferences. From the classic French omelette to the hearty Spanish tortilla, there's an omelette style for every palate. Selecting the best eggs. Choosing the right eggs is essential for making delicious omelettes. Look for eggs that are fresh, with clean shells and bright yolks. If possible, opt for free-range or organic eggs for the best flavor and quality. Essential equipment for making omelettes. To make omelettes at home, you'll need the following equipment. 1. Non-stick frying pan. A good quality non-stick frying pan is essential for cooking omelettes without sticking. 2. Whisk or fork. Use a whisk or fork to beat the eggs until smooth and well combined. 3. Spatula. A spatula with a thin, flexible blade is ideal for flipping and folding omelettes. 4. Heat-resistant plate. A heat-resistant plate is needed for transferring the cooked omelette from the pan to the serving plate. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Basic techniques for making omelettes. While there are many variations of omelettes, the basic technique remains the same. Here's how to make a simple omelette. 1. Beat the eggs. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, salt, and pepper until well combined. 2. Heat the pan. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat until hot but not smoking. 3. Cook the eggs. Pour the beaten eggs into the hot pan, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. 3. Cook until the edges begin to set, about 1-2 minutes. 4. Fold and serve. Using a spatula, gently lift the edges of the omelette and fold it in half. 4. Cook for another 1-2 minutes, or until the eggs are set and the omelette is golden brown on both sides. 4. Slide the omelette onto a heat-resistant plate and serve immediately. French omelette. Classic technique and variations. The French omelette is a classic preparation that showcases the simplicity and elegance of eggs. Made with just eggs, butter, salt, and pepper, the French omelette is cooked quickly over high heat, resulting in a tender, custardy texture. Here's how to make a classic French omelette. 1. Beat the eggs. In a bowl, beat eggs until well combined. 1. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 2. Heat the pan. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat until hot. 2. Add a small pat of butter and swirl to coat the bottom of the pan. 3. Cook the eggs. Pour the beaten eggs into the hot pan, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. 3. As the eggs begin to set, use a spatula to gently push the cooked eggs towards the center of the pan, tilting the pan to allow the uncooked eggs to flow to the edges. 4. Fold and serve. Once the eggs are mostly set but still slightly runny in the center, fold the omelette in half and slide it onto a heat-resistant plate. 4. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh herbs or grated cheese if desired. Variations of the French omelette include: 1. Cheese omelette. Sprinkle grated cheese such as Gruyere or cheddar over the eggs just before folding. 2. Herbs omelette. Add chopped fresh herbs such as parsley, chives, or tarragon to the beaten eggs before cooking. 3. Vegetable omelette. Sauté diced vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, or spinach and add them to the omelette filling before folding. American omelette. Fluffy and folded. The American omelette is a fluffy and folded version of the classic French omelette. Made with beaten eggs cooked over medium heat, the American omelette is typically filled with cheese, vegetables, and other ingredients before folding. Here's how to make an American omelette. 1. Beat the eggs. In a bowl, beat eggs until well combined. 1. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 2. Heat the pan. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat until hot. 2. Add a small pat of butter and swirl to coat the bottom of the pan. 3. Cook the eggs. Pour the beaten eggs into the hot pan, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. 3. As the eggs begin to set, use a spatula to gently lift the edges and allow the uncooked eggs to flow underneath. 4. Add fillings. Once the eggs are mostly set but still slightly runny in the center, add your desired fillings such as cheese, vegetables, or cooked meats to one half of the omelette. 5. Fold and serve. Using a spatula, fold the unfilled half of the omelette over the filling. 5. Cook for another 1-2 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and the omelette is golden brown on both sides. 5. Slide the omelette onto a heat-resistant plate and serve immediately. Spanish omelette, tortilla española, hearty and filling. The Spanish omelette, also known as tortilla española, is a hearty and filling dish made with eggs, potatoes, and onions. Served hot or cold, the Spanish omelette is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a tapas dish. Here's how to make a Spanish omelette. 1. Prepare the potatoes and onions. Peel and thinly slice potatoes and onions. 1. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat and cook the potatoes and onions until tender and lightly browned. 2. Beat the eggs. In a bowl, beat eggs until well combined. 2. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 3. Add the potatoes and onions. Once the potatoes and onions are cooked, transfer them to the bowl with the beaten eggs and stir to combine. 4. Cook the omelette. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat until hot. 4. Pour the egg mixture into the hot pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. 4. Cook until the edges begin to set, then use a spatula to gently lift the edges and allow the uncooked eggs to flow underneath. 5. Flip and serve. Once the omelette is mostly set but still slightly runny in the center, carefully flip it over using a large plate or lid. 5. Cook for another 1-2 minutes, or until the omelette is cooked through and golden brown on both sides. 5. Slide the omelette onto a heat-resistant plate and serve hot or cold, cut into wedges. Filling and flavor ideas for omelettes. Omelettes are endlessly customizable, allowing you to tailor them to your taste preferences. Here are some filling and flavor ideas to inspire you. 1. Cheese, cheddar, Swiss, Gruyere, feta, or goat cheese. 2. Vegetables, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, spinach, tomatoes, zucchini, or asparagus. 3. Herbs, parsley, chives, basil, cilantro, or dill. 4. Meats, cooked bacon, ham, sausage, chicken, or smoked salmon. 5. Spices, paprika, cumin, chili powder, or curry powder. Serving and presentation. To serve omelettes, slide them onto a heat-resistant plate and garnish with fresh herbs or grated cheese if desired. Cut the omelette into wedges using a sharp knife and serve immediately with toast, salad, or roasted potatoes on the side. Omelettes can also be rolled or folded and served as wraps or sandwiches for a portable meal option. Storing and reheating omelettes. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2-3 days. To reheat omelettes, place them on a microwave-safe plate and microwave on high for 1-2 minutes, or until heated through. Alternatively, you can reheat omelettes in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 10-15 minutes, or until heated through. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Troubleshooting common issues. Even the most experienced cooks may encounter challenges when making omelettes. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. 1. Sticking to the pan. If the omelette sticks to the pan, it may be due to insufficient greasing or cooking over too high heat. 1. Be sure to use a non-stick frying pan and add enough butter or oil to coat the bottom evenly. 1. Cook the omelette over medium heat to prevent it from burning. 2. Tearing or breaking. If the omelette tears or breaks when folding, it may be due to overfilling or overcooking. 2. Use a light hand when adding fillings and cook the omelette just until set but still slightly runny in the center. 3. Undercooked or runny. If the omelette is undercooked or runny in the center, it may be due to insufficient cooking time or too low heat. 3. Cook the omelette until the edges are set and the center is mostly cooked through, then fold and serve immediately. Omelette recipes. Here are some delicious omelette recipes to try. 1. Classic French omelette with fines herbes. 2. American omelette with cheddar cheese and spinach. 3. Spanish omelette, tortilla española, with potatoes and onions. 4. Mediterranean omelette with tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese. 5. Southwest omelette with bell peppers, onions, and jalapenos. Conclusion and final thoughts. Making omelettes at home is a rewarding and enjoyable culinary experience that allows you to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Whether you prefer a classic French omelette, a fluffy American-style omelette, or a hearty Spanish tortilla, mastering the art of omelette making opens the door to endless possibilities for delicious and satisfying meals. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide and experimenting with different techniques and fillings, you'll be well equipped to make delicious omelettes that will impress your friends, family and everyone. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and get ready to enjoy the simple pleasure of homemade omelettes. Please give this recipe a try and let us know how it goes in comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Happy cooking!